This is a new type of counting machine. It can count tablets, candies, soft gels, and other products accurately with optical fiber. When it switches to the other channel, the baffle sheet makes a smaller noise than those of other similar machines, which is great progress we make. If the machine counting is not accurate, we can calibrate it by fine-tuning the filtering time. The filtering time varies with the product and should be set accordingly. For more details, please contact us.